You've been wanting to start an online business or side hustle to earn passive income, and as you do your research, you keep hearing people talk about digital real estate or rank and rent and being a digital landlord. But nobody really slows down and explains how it actually works in plain English, right? Maybe this sounds familiar. You save a bunch of videos, you hear phrases like local lead generation, SEO side hustle, digital leasing, but when you finally sit down to start, it's like, what's the first step? What niche do I pick? What city? What do I even build? That's exactly why I put together a free digital real estate starter kit. It's a short PDF that walks you through what digital real estate and rent actually are, how the build, rank, rent model works with real local businesses, simple examples of niches and cities, and the first few steps so you're not just guessing or stuck in research mode. No hype, no crazy promises. Just a beginner friendly breakdown you can read in under 20 minutes, even if you're completely new to online business, SEO, or marketing. If you've been curious but overwhelmed by digital real estate and want a clear starting point, comment KIT below and I'll send you the link to download the starter kit for free. You have nothing to lose except more time researching or money that you would have made if you started now, but don't.